Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach lesson 1, living and non-living things. First of all, let me introduce your G.Sc book. This is your G.Sc book, BA Science Star. You can see many things around us. Some of them are living things and some of them are non-living things. The world in which we live is very beautiful. We can see many things. First, we will know about living things. Things that have life in them are called living things. Let's see some examples of living things. First of all, you can see in the picture, yes, a man, a woman, children. All together, we call them human or human beings. Okay? Next one, can you identify? Yes, it is plant. And next one is a dog. It is an animal. So now, if you see anything, how can you identify that it is living thing or non-living thing? For this, you have to know the features of living things. First feature is move. All living things move. They move from one place to another. Animals move from one place to another. Plants also move, but they cannot move from one place to another. Some parts of plants move, like roots. Next is feel. What do you feel if you touch an ice cube? Your fingers feel cold. Next is grow. All living things grow from babies into their adult forms. Features of living thing is reproduce also. All living things produce babies. Next feature is breathe. Human beings breathe through lungs. Plants breathe through pores on their leaves. Living things need food and water to live and grow. Now we will discuss about non-living things. Things that do not have life in them are called non-living things. Let's see examples of non-living things. A car, a ball, a book, a house. These are examples of non-living things. Children, listen your homework carefully. Look at this picture. You have to find out living and non-living things from this picture and write in your copy. Okay? Complete your homework. Thank you, children.